Well. Look at what we have here, man. I'm telling y'all, I kept the same energy. When we talk about on my live and peel this paper back, I told you guys I was gonna keep the same energy, man. The Air Jordan 1 KO, man. Hey, very dope shoe. And I'm gonna tell you guys why, man. Let's skip all the hype. Let's talk about this. Let's do it.
No synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got crew, never slack on the brew. For OGs and the youth, you can kick it with us too. Knowledge.
Hey, what's up? What it be? How you doing? How you be? What it is, man. It's your boy True. This is KICKnology. I appreciate you guys tuning in as always. If this is your first time tapping into my channel, stopping by, I appreciate you guys. Today is going to be a very good video because y'all know I am in my feelings about this sneaker and I got a lot to say. So it's my channel, so I'm gonna say it, man. But this is your first time, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs button, which is the like button, helps the channel grow. Check out my other video, man. Hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop any video. And without that being said, let's get right into this video. First off, let's get this box out of the way. You have your orange and white Nike box right here. As you can see, it is not your traditional black and red box. This is a size 12, as you guys can see right here. Colorway is white university red black. Size 12 retail was $140 on them things. As we open it up, we have the white paper and we do have that quality control sticker right there. And that's it for the box, man. But I just wanted to hurry up and get that out of the way because I want to talk about this shoe, man. The Air Jordan 1 KO, man. Everybody had so many negative things to say about this sneaker, man. And in 2014, when I got my second pair of this shoe and I beat it down from the outlets, nobody was talking about this shoe, man. In 2010, when I got my all black pair from the outlets on the back wall with the discount, nobody was talking about this shoe. So it's just crazy to me that this shoe is reselling for $280, $300, you know, depending on the size. That's crazy, but I do think they will drop, and everybody that wants this shoe will be able to get it. It is a very unique and different shoe compared to, I don't have the Chicago, but compared to your traditional Jordan 1s, it is a very, they look alike. I don't have the Chicago, so this is the black toe, or bread toe, I'm sorry. So it is a little bit different, but yeah, man, we're gonna talk about it. So let's go ahead and dive right off into it. First things first, man. This shoe, 1984, June 24th, is a special day. Not only because of this shoe and what Nike done, but because June 24th, 1984 was the day that I was born. And this shoe, Nike put out an article, June 24th, 1984, stating that they wanted to beat the people that's going to be doing knockoff shoes. So they created the Air Jordan 1 knockoff, KO, so they can beat those people that's going to be doing the B grades, the fakes, the knockoffs, which is very genius if you think about it, man. So I know the aesthetic of the shoe is not the best. A lot of people don't like it, but that's not what the concept was about, you know, when you think about this shoe. And I get it, man. They gave us the Chicago. They could have gave us the Chicago 1. Trust me, I 100% agree with you. I would have loved to see the Chicago 1 instead of this one. But you know what? For people like me that actually like this shoe, thank you, Nike, for dropping this shoe. I was not able to hit on my pair. Shout out to my guy, DeepSoles. This is his pair. This is a size 12. I was not able to hit on mine. I am still looking for mine, but I refuse to pay you guys $240, $250, $260 for this sneaker, bro, when I know y'all don't like I'm not gonna buy into that, you know what I'm saying? So I will be able to get my pair eventually, but like I said, the biggest difference about the sneaker is, yeah, man, you got the canvas material. The Nike swoosh looks kind of weird on it, but you do have that Nike Air on the tongue, as you guys can see right there. This is more of a cheaper mesh. The quality is not that great. If you look at the Nike swoosh on it, it's not that great, man. The color tones are a little bit different than the 2014 pair. The Air Jordan KO wings on it on the sides are painted on. Not like I said, they wanted to make it look like a knockoff, but close to the original. You got the booty on that thing. The booty is a little bit different. A lot of people were saying, oh, these are mids. They was like, oh, these are mids. Stop saying these are not mids. These are actually highs. The cut is maybe just a little bit different than the highs, but it is what it is. They do come with the two different laces. You have your white and your red laces on these things. On the inner side of the shoe, it is the same exact as the outer side, minus the wing logo. And then on the bottom, it is not your traditional Air Jordan 1 bottom. So it's just a little bit different. But the biggest thing is the canvas material on the sneakers. I will say you see it on the toe box and around the side of this shoe. the canvas material will get dirty ASAP, man. I'm just gonna let you guys know. So don't think, I don't know if Marc Jacobs or anything like that can actually save these things from getting dirty. But all in all, a very dope shoe. I'm gonna show you guys the right one. Here it is right here. You know what I'm saying? Very dope shoe, nice colorway. I don't know, man. Like I said, they're supposed to look like knockoffs, so that's what you get. But they are from Nike. Nike has a good way of capitalizing on everything. And so for people to just be like, you know, some true people out there that completely hate them. And I get it, man. Rock what you like, you know what I'm saying? But there's some people out there that they're just saying it because they heard about it. And they don't know the meaning behind the Air Jordan 1 KO. And then another thing is, you guys see this B-roll of this shoe. Another thing is that a lot of people were going ham about the Blue the Greats, which is an Air Jordan 1 mid with canvas material. Like, that shoe is $300-400, maybe $500 depending on the size. But then they give us a Chicago colorway of this one in a canvas material, a high cut, OG looking type thing, you know what I'm saying? Look kind of funky, I can't even lie. And then people say this is trash. I don't get it. Like, how can the Air Jordan 1 mid Blue the Greats be fire and these are trash? I don't know, man. Like I said, rock what you like. This is just my opinion, my soapbox. But you guys let me know down in the comment section, what do you think about this? Would you pay resale for it? I won't, even though I like it. It is a dope shoe. Good luck on keeping it clean, like I said, but you gotta rock your shoes, man. You gotta rock your shoes, man. The Air Jordan 1 KO are knockoff things on y'all boys, man. Let me know down in the comment section. Them black laces hit fire. Thank you for giving Chicago colorway. I'm hearing in September the Royal colorway is going to be dropping, so that'll be dope. I will chop for them also. But if you know anybody that has a size 11.5 to 12 for retail, DM your boy at KICKnology on IG. I appreciate you guys. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. And remember, these shoes we talk about, these knockoffs we talk about, they just bait. Wait for me to share my faith, man. You guys be blessed. Peace.
I don't sell no dope. Brother more high, you smell no smoke. Brother more clean, you don't smell no soap. God smile on me, tell no joke.